Abalandzeli be-DA eKapa bamukele baholi babo ngenhlokomolo enkulu njengoba namhla lenhlangano befaka imikhangiso yayo yelukhetho. Umlayeto lokhona uthi Cape Town works, let's do more. Elwasekhaya kusho ukuthi iKapa ayisebende ayichubeke yende lokuningi lokuhle. Umholi walenhlangano John Steenhuisen uthi iKapa ngiyo lehamba embili kumasipala abakhulu kunawo bonke kulesifunza. Lenhlangano ithembise lokunyandi lokunhle njengemkhankaso wayo. Inyalo lenhlangano esemkhankasweni ukuthatha abantu labanyende ukuthi babhalisele kuvota.
The big thing's going to be registration. I think this election's going to turn on who can register their voters in bigger numbers. And I think that's going to give any party that's able to register its voters in bigger numbers an advantage. So people need to get out there and register over this coming registration weekend.
Lona lucokelwe kuba ngusodolobha waseKapa Jordan Hill Lewis ubonga lenhlangano incubekele embili lebenayo kufikela nyalo kuleli dolobha. Kepha uthi kuningi lekusamele kwendiwe.
You must be able to walk through your community and feel safer, have the peace of mind that this is a safe place to live and raise children, to have opportunities to work, and have the basic services that you need to live a life of dignity. Where we've got more to do, I'm going to spend a lot of time there, and I'm genuinely passionate about improving services there so that everyone sees and feels that difference. That's absolutely a commitment.
Bobabili ke bathi kuba bede kwenshisakalo yokuyovota akubathusi bathi kuvota kubohulumende basemakhaya kulapho khona takhamuthi tingenda umehluko ukuthi tethulwa njani tinsita emphakatsini.